everyone, welcome to my channel, The Knowledge Session. Today I am showing you how to do bank reconciliation statement in SAP. So let's start with what is bank reconciliation statement. I am doing today bank reconciliation statement manual, how we create it manually. Bank reconciliation statement is reconciliation between the account maintained by your company and the account maintained by the bank. So, what is the mean of bank reconciliation statement? Bank reconciliation statement is reconcile between the account and the company. Means bank of account and the company. And first what we are starting, we create 3 GL account. First we need to create 3 accounts in GL: main bank account, issued bank, or we can say outgoing bank account, received bank account, or we can say incoming bank account. According to your understanding you can create. Okay, so what we do today: vendor payment transactions, vendor account debit to issued bank. Means from outgoing bank we pay to vendor. And what we do today in reconciliation account, bank reconciliation account, issued bank account debit to main bank. Okay, means issued bank account debit to main bank. From main bank we give a outgoing payment. Okay, for customer incoming transaction, received bank account debit to customer account. So what our reconciliation account is? Main bank account debit to received bank account. We will do in BRS. Okay, so let's start with our SAP screen. So we have an end user screen of SAP. So first what we are doing, we create GL account, what I already created. So I can show you, this is my account, main bank account, issued bank account, received bank account, how it is created. So for example I am showing you how I created this. We can see sort key 001, create bank interest, field status groups. I already showed all the things. Okay, and then save it, go back. And right now what we need to do, /n SPRO, go to your main display MG screen, go to financial accounting, new, go to bank accounting, then after that business transactions, go to payment transactions, then go to manual bank statement. So I am creating a manual bank reconciliation statement, so we need to go manual bank statement. I am choosing second option, define posting keys and posting rules for manual bank statement. Execute it, enter, give your chart of accounts and then enter. Go to new entries, for this we create a main bank account, issued bank, main bank, issued bank and received bank. I am creating here symbols for that. So first letter of my company code is AB, and for main bank I am using MN. Okay, so main bank AB, issued bank IB, issued bank AB RB, for received bank AB BH for bank charges, I'm showing you how to do bank charges in it. So after that, save it. Okay. Then double click on assign accounts to account symbol. Click on new entries. Give your account symbol. For bank charges, I did not created a bank charges account, which I need to create in GL account /O FS00 for creating a bank charges account. Bank charges accounting charges account, we need to go for indirect expense. So I need to check direct expense 20140. For indirect expenses, I am giving here 401 is my indirect expenses account group. Bank charges account, here I am giving a bank charges account. Click on control data, check mark on line item display, sort key 001, create bank interest, click G001 for general, then save it. After save, we can see data was saved, and go to previous page and give your account symbol what I was created, ABMN for main bank, currency INR, and for GL account we need to do masking with +++2 for a main bank is created. You can see in 2 is my main bank. Okay, AB. Now I am selecting issued bank, ABIB INR, ABRB for received bank INR, ABBH for bank charges INR 401. For bank charges I am not doing any masking. Click enter. We can see automatically they take main bank, issued bank and received bank account and bank charges. Then save it. Double click on create keys for posting rules. Okay, for posting rules we need to understand what is incoming, what is outgoing from main bank. So three posting rules I will create here. Click on new entries. For incoming, ABIN for incoming and main bank, ABOU for outgoing from main bank, and ABBH for bank charges. Okay, then save it. Then we need to go define posting rules. Double click on it. Click on new entries. For this we need to give a posting rule here and account symbol here. So I am giving my posting rules what I created here. ABIN for incoming. Posting rule, posting area is 1 because one is bank accounting and second is subledger accounting. So we are doing a bank accounting, so selecting 1. Posting keys. Okay, so posting keys is debit or credit. For debit I am giving here 40. So what is 40? 40 for debit entry and 50 for credit entry, what we are using here. So I am giving here 40 and give a account symbol main bank account. Okay, So I am receiving incoming in main bank. So I am giving here received bank AB RB. And for document type SA and posting type is 5 clearing credit balance, credit GL account. Okay, then save it and go to next. By next entry, click here. AB OU for outgoing, one same, no posting key here. Giving here, I'm giving here posting key 50 credit. Giving here main bank here and issued bank here. Give your document type SA and posting type 4 for clear debit GL account. Then save it. Do next entry. ABBH for bank charges. Give your posting area 1. For posting key 40. Same I am giving here main bank account. Sorry, I am giving here bank charges 50 and giving here main bank. Document type SA and posting type is post to GL account. So bank charges is goes to GL account. Then save it. Go back so we can see our entries here. Then go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Then we are doing a first entry. Create and assign business transaction. We have a T code of it. OT OT52 is our T code. Click on it. Go to new entries. Give your transaction detail. I am giving here ABIN for incoming. Incoming is positive. So for posting rule, I am selecting ABIN for incoming. Incoming in main bank and give a text type. Incoming in main bank. ABOU for outgoing, which is minus. ABOU outgoing from main bank. ABBH for bank charges, which is minus. ABBH bank charges. Then save it. Okay, first we need to do all the tolerance before this. Okay, go back and give defined variants for manual bank statement. What is our T code is OT43 for this. Execute it. Go to create. Click on create. ABC1 is my variant what I am giving here. BRS variant for ABC1. Enter. Then give your document number. Double click on here. Enter. standard offset, click on it, then standard offset plus length, click on it, then save it. Okay, then enter. We can see red here, click on it and click on activate. So we can see variant ABC was activated. Okay, save it and go back. So we need to do end use here. So before end use, I need to check incoming and outgoing balances, means issued bank account and received bank account balances. If I did not create any issued bank and received bank entries, I am showing you how to create and how we are posting here. /n FB60 for posting a new invoice, selecting a vendor, giving a invoice date, today's date I am giving here. I am giving here amount 10,000 and text purchase invoice. My purchase account is 201. Amount star text plus for copy, simulate it. We can see our entry here, purchase account debit to our vendor account, then save it. Now for purchase account invoice created but not payment. So for payment I need to go /n F-53, enter, give your document date, enter, give your account, issued bank account, amount. Suppose I don't know about my amount, I am giving here 1, give a value date, today's date, and amount account is this. Click on process open item. So we can see our amount is pending. Click on document overview, double click on one, give star, enter. We can see our amount payment is pending 1,10,000 rupees. Then save it. So document was posted in account company code ABC1. Okay. So same, we need to create a sales invoice and sales invoice payment. Okay. /n FB70. Give a company code ABC1. Give your customer amount. Suppose I am giving here 2 lakh amount and creating a sales invoice. For GL account, 301 is my sales account. Give amount. After that, for text plus, simulate it. So we can see customer account debit to sales account. Okay, then save it. So we can see document this was posted in company code ABC1. For customer payment /n F-28. Same page we can see F-53 account. I am giving here account is received bank account. We are receiving that amount, so we know about the amount 2 lakh. Giving your value date amount, value date and your account, customer account, and click on process open item. You can see here, click on document overview, then save it. So we can see document this was posted in company code ABC1. So let's start with end user. of bank reconciliation statement /n. Go to accounting, click on financial accounting, then click on banks, then click on incoming, click on bank statement, then go to FF67 manual entry, double click on it. So we can see our company code, our house bank, our account ID, giving your statement number 0001. Before that we need to check our opening and closing balance. Then go to /O FBL3N for GL account, GL line item display, GL account line item display. So I am selecting here my accounts. Issued bank, received bank, and bank charges. Then execute it, then again execute it. So we can see our issued bank account balance is 1,10,000 and received bank account balance is 2 lakh. So what is our remaining balance is 90,000. In 90,000 I am giving here 1,500 bank charges, for example. So our total is 88,500. Statement date 19/5/2020. Opening balance is 0 and closing balance is 88,500. And give your posting date here 19/5/2020. Enter. We can see first statement. Enter. Give your transaction, incoming, value date. Value date is today's date. Amount, incoming, what I'm getting 2 lakh. Copy here. Okay. So for document number, I'm copying here document number. ABOU, value date. Enter. Issued bank. Sorry, before that minus is necessary to show. Minus symbol is necessary before giving a amount. Okay. ABBH, give your value date, and I am giving here 1,500 for bank charges. Enter. Enter. BH. A and BH. Sorry, by mistake I did A and BH, so that's why it's showing me error. So we can see our balance sheet, bank statement is matched. Account entered is also matched with that. We can see. Okay, then save it. Then again we need to save it. We can see statement /list posted. Before that I need to do setting ABC1. Settings specification I need to check before that. So we can see all check and give your processing type 2 and then enter. So we can see our statement, then save it. After that we go to settings, system, then click on services, go to batch input, session, enter, go to RBL, click on process, then click on display error only, then click on process. We can see all processes are cleared, so we can check it by session overview. Click on it, so we can see our session is cleared. Then go to /n FBL3N for check our post. Click on cleared items, give your accounts here 2, 3, 4 and 401. Execute it and execute again here, so we can see all our account is cleared: issued bank, received bank and bank charges. Here is our bank charges. Click on all items, okay, then execute it. Main bank, we can see this amount. Bank charges, we can see our bank charges 1500 is also posted here as a general. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and click on bell button for more updates. Hope you like my video. Bye. I'm trying to short it.